Okay. All right. So it is 6:34 in the morning on New Year's Eve, and what we're doing right now is we are preparing the wood so that we can cook something later on. Okay. So we have three ovens that we're gonna be firing up today, and that one which is actually in the process of curing. So this one. So yung curing nito is about on the third day, fourth day I think. Fourth day pa lang. I usually cure the oven without the tiles. Or you can do it with the tiles, depending on you. But as long as the oven naman is has uh, has a 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks of curing, just resting after we close the dome, it's okay. Just be gentle lang on the first few days talaga if you will cure it very early, no? Like 2 weeks, no? So, ingat lang kayo. So, ito naman. So, what we're going to use here, by the way, hindi ko na mention kanina kung anong wood yung ginagamit ko dito. This is a mango wood. Meron pang mga mushroom ata to eh. Matagal na. Siguro a few months ago. Nandyan lang siya but I had it collected kanina. So we're gonna introduce fire again on the fourth day. So medyo maliliit lang talaga ang cut ng wood dito kasi we are still curing this oven. No? So, ang pag-cure naman ng oven is at least 5 to, you can do it like for a couple of weeks, depende sa size. Pero this one is a small size naman. So, pwede mo naman siyang i-cure ng 7 or 5 days, depende. Depende sa weather also. And ngayong December, hindi masyadong umuulan, kaya I'm confident na very low lang yung moisture na na-accumulate niya. Since naka-expose to sa labas. So, ganyan lang, maliliit lang. Around 8 inches to 12 inches na po pwede na ngayong araw na to. Yung diameter, yung size ng fire for the curing. So we'll just put it here. And then again, introduce heat. Oops. This is for curing, this is not for cooking.